Hello, like-minded people. Welcome to my channel. I want you to feel at home, to feel comfortable here. Please remember to hit the like button when you come in. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave a comment and tell a friend. And tell a friend to tell a friend. And please come back. You're always welcome. Thank you.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More with Tracy.
My name is Dallas.
And what are we doing?
We are unboxing.
Don't show my address.
Oh.
You Tracy.
It's a Deerfamy heavy-duty stand-up weed puller tool.
So we're gonna unbox this, and demonstrate.
You sound like that.
Yeah. So open that up.
Where do you see your ad stuff? We need it.
Okay.
Can you open this with my fingers?
Sure you can. So this is a Deerfamy, Deerfamy, heavy duty stand up weed puller tool. And it's adjustable. We're going to check this out. We're going to put it together, and then we're going to see how it works. Okay, we got instructions. Take everything out.
Let's start.
Take all these things off. Well, this is an interesting gadget. Okay. Step 1, take out the handle part and adjust the inner tube to the appropriate position. So this part, and adjust the tube.
I saw this when we were watching it.
Okay. You'll rotate the handle grip to freely adjust the length. Insert the handle part B into the impact sleeve part C. So part B into that. Insert the head part into the opposite side of the impact sleeve C. Part A, this part. Okay. So you stick part A into the opposite side of the impact sleeve. So the impact sleeve is this. So you're going to stick that in there. Slide the inner tube of the handle part into the head part, aligning it with the mounting hole. Securely fasten the head part, handle part, and the impact sleeve using the hex wrench with the provided screws. Then rotate the handle to unlock. Unfortunately, we somehow lost the volume while editing this video. So now I'll be trying to do a voiceover to explain. This Deerfamy heavy-duty stand-up weeder has an adjustable length. The weeder puller tool can be adjusted from 40 to 46 inches with a top handle that locks in the length for an easier grip and use. It also has an auto eject mechanism that releases the weeds from the claws through the handle after the extraction of the weeds, ensuring that your hands remain clean. The claws of this weeder are of very high quality. The extended fork head is designed to ensure that the weeds are pulled out by the roots. This tool is made of stainless steel. It is rust-proof and it's very durable.
It's designed to uproot the weeds very effectively. This stand-up weed puller keeps you upright. It protects your knees and your back, making weed removal easy. It's nice to have a tool that helps me pull up deep-rooted weeds such as dandelions. This tool is great. It pulls up the weeds very neatly and easily. I appreciate tools that make a job easier and help get things done faster.
So now we'll go find some weeds and see if we can make this work. Take that off. Careful. Righty there. Very sharp prongs. All right. We'll be right back. We're going to find the weeds. There's plenty here. All right. Now we're going to demonstrate how to get these weeds out. You just push those probes into the ground. Step on this back part here, and it pulls the weeds out. Let's do it again. And I'm having my grandson do this because I have knee problems right now. My knee is bothering me. Push it down into the ground, step on it, push it in, and push it back. And then you pull it back up, and it pulls the weeds right out. Let's do that one more time. Let's demonstrate it again. Okay. Step onto it, pull it up and back, and it pulls the weed. Look at that. Right from the root. Gets all that out. Not too bad. And it's ergonomics, is that what you call it? It's really good for if you have back problems, but I have a knee problem, so I can't do it right now. It's very interesting, and it will make weed pulling, wow, quick and easy.
I'm gonna rate it.
What would you rate it as? Now, putting this together was just a little bit difficult in the beginning, but it really isn't. It's only a couple parts that you put together, and it's sliding this on to both parts with the screws. Oh, I'm not in the camera. Sliding this part on with the screws. And we got it, but it didn't film. Sorry about that. They do have some videos on Amazon where you can see. I would give it a rating of I don't know, to make it easy for me, I would give it a rating of an 8.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it a 7
You'd
because
give it a 7?
I won't need to use it.
Oh, you won't need to use it. Yeah, but I will need to use it, and it seems to be pretty easy. And I will, once my knee is better, I'm going to get out here and try it myself. Can't be too bad. So thank you so much. We appreciate you viewing. Let me know what you think. I'll put the link into the description and the name of the company and all. Appreciate you. Have a good day.
Deerfamy has generated an exclusive discount code for you. 10OIG64Q. As always, I thank you for your time. I thank you for stopping by, and much appreciation for your support. Click the notification bell for intriguing content. Thank you.